Welcome back to Dirtbag Cafe. Steve Weston here in the Wild Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make clam chowder out of a freeze-dried soup packet. Alpine Air Foods makes a creamy potato cheddar soup, and we're going to show you how to make it happen. As promised, let's get started. We have peeled and then diced our carrot and potato into a 1/4 inch dice. We're going to boil that for 8 minutes. That's going to create starch in the water. It's going to make kind of a thickening agent. At the 8-minute mark, we're going to put in our celery and our creamy potato cheddar soup from Alpine Air. At the 11-minute mark, we're going to put in our clams. And at the very end, we're going to garnish with green onion, Tabasco, and fresh ground pepper. So let's get started. We're going to add to our boiling water carrots and potatoes. See, back to the 8-minute mark. Our potatoes and carrots have boiled and are creating some starch. So now we're going to add our soup packet. And what you need to do after you open it up is you need to remove the oxygen thingy. See if we can find it. It's stuck in a crease or something. No, we didn't have one, but normally you'll remove it. And then we're going to add our celery. We're going to give it a stir. I'm going to break up the clumps. Stir it down a little bit. And we're going to let this go for about 4 minutes, and we're going to let it stand. And we'll add our green onion, Tabasco, and we'll be eating. See you back in another 4 minutes. Mark, and we're going to put our clams with all of the liquid into the soup, chowder, if you will, and we'll finish it up, let it sit a while, and we'll eat it. So let's get going. Okay, we're at the 12-minute mark. We have let it stand an additional 2 minutes. It's nice and thick and ready to eat. So let's get going. So we're eating it, and it is really so good. So on a cold day, that'll warm your cockles. And a warm cockle is a good thing. Hey, glad you got to spend some time with us. I'm sure the pleasure was all yours. And we did learn how to make some trail clam chowder, and that will impress all your friends. Get off your butt. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Until next time, eat well outdoors. See you later, dirtbags.
Back to jazz. Back to jazz.